Hey folks, DJ at the Rapsco Garage, and I'm going to try something different with this video. Usually I make the intro before I even start working on the bike for whatever it is that day. This time I did the work first and I'm making the intro after. That way you get a better idea of what's in the video. So what we did today, I worked on the 1988 Yamaha Virago XV250. And we got the carburetor put back on, everything adjusted, and then we took it for a test ride. So the first part, I'm going to make it real quick because I have down in the description, I have a link to the playlist for the XV250. So if you want to learn anything about what I did in that little part, you can watch that link down there. Find the video. They're all labeled well. And you'll get it. So most of this video is just going to be me taking the bike for a test ride. So yeah, let's get to it. So it's going to go just like that. We're going to take the intakes off. That'll just make it easier to get the carburetor back on. Make sure you don't lose your O-rings. Go ahead and hook the electrical back up because we shouldn't be messing around in there anymore. Alright, let's get these hoses hooked back up and see if we can't get this motorcycle to kick over and run on the highway. So yeah, let's replace this real quick and get a new one put on it. That way we know for sure it's got a high flow on. Alright, the one on the left is the original, the one I pulled off at least. And you can see how dingy and dark it is. The one on the right, or I'm sorry, the one on the right is the one I pulled off. The one on the left is one I just opened up out of the package. And you can see the difference in the filter itself. This one's super dark and this one's brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and pitch that one. I missed. And we're gonna put the new one on. Goes from the fuel pump out. Right, okay. Wow, let me also get a little clamp for that. So I got these clamps, just assortment of them off of Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. But, you know, it's just a small collection of all different sizes. Use many different uses. So I keep those around for instances just like this. Okay. Now, gas tank. Okay, gas tank is in place. I'm not putting the bolt in yet until I get all these hooked up. We've got everything back together. I put just about a gallon of gas in it just so we could I didn't want to fill it all the way up in case I have to take the tank back off again. Okay, we've got it adjusted. I guess now it's time to take it for a spin and see how it does on the road. Okay, well luckily he's got a mount here for his phone, so I can bring my phone with me in case something does go wrong. I can call my family to come grab me, but we're going to go ahead and take it for a test ride. The bike is warmed up. It's on. And we're going to get it up on the highway. We're going to drive it around a little bit to get to the highway, so shouldn't be too bad. But anyway, let's get rolling.
here we go. I'm in 5th gear right now. I'm also going to adjust this shift lever for you. It's way too low, man. How do you even get your foot under there? Brakes are working. Front brakes are working. Alright, here we go. Bike seems to be running okay so far. I'm going to drop my shield. Got plenty of get up and go. Also, I'm adjusting your mirrors so I don't wreck your bike or get rear-ended or something. Alright, let's get on the highway. I think it's feeling really good. So we're gonna get it up to top speed. When I say top speed, I mean top speed. Like, the top speed on this is probably 65, 70 mile an hour. So, Austin, if you're expecting more than that, you're not gonna get it. We're in 5th gear now. There's 5th gear, and we're at 65 mile an hour, 70, coming up on 70. And I've got the throttle peg. There's nothing left in the throttle. So yeah, 65, but that's, I mean, it's a 250. You're lucky to get that. The most I could get mine up to was about 70, 75, and I had exhaust and air intake done. There we go. On flat land, I got it up to 70, it looks like, almost 75, but not my bike, and I don't want to abuse it. But no, it seems to be doing just fine. I'm taking it for a little longer ride than I usually would have. Usually I would have got off at that exit, but since he said it happens after riding for a good 10 minutes, I'm just going to keep going on the highway here for a little bit to see what happens. Something's rattling. Can't tell what it is. There, I just shifted down into 4th. Still full throttle. Got it up to 70. Now I'm back in 5th gear. Still hanging at 70. I mean, honestly, it's for 250, that's not bad. You're not going to get more than 70 mile an hour. I mean, like I said, 75 max out of this thing. And in Austin, I weigh about 155 pounds. So I'm not sure what your weight is, but factor that in, because it makes a difference also, especially on a little bike like a 250, you know. But if you notice, nothing. Alright, I'm going to get off at this exit, get back on the highway, and head home and see how it does. See if I can't figure out what the heck's rattling. Something's rattling. What the hell is that? we're in neutral. Idling well, having no problems. What the hell is rattling though? Oh, probably the foot peg. Best I can figure. It's idling well though. Not too hot. That's good. It means it's not running lean. I don't see any white smoke coming out. That means we're not running too rich. Revs just fine. I think we may have got you covered. I think we got you covered, Austin. Let's find out. Yeah, I'm adjusting this shift lever for you. I don't even know how you get your foot under there. I can barely get mine in. Alright, here we go. We're going to go full throttle. Let's do it from a complete stop. There we are. Completely stopped. Turn signal off. First gear. Get ready. Woo! Popped a little wheelie there. That's fourth gear maxed out. Fifth. Oh, sixth. Sorry, fifth. Well, anyway, we're hitting a good 70 mile an hour now. And that's, like I said, I'm at full throttle, and that's about all you're going to get out of it. So, we're good. I don't see any other issues. Like I said, it was probably that changing the main jet from a 110 to a 115 probably solved all the problems. Uh-oh, we got a car pulling out or something. Always look ahead. There we go. Yeah. I would trust it to ride it anywhere. I'm gonna get rid of some of your chicken strips for you. How's that? Again, still doing 65. We're gonna pass these fucks. Hit the wrong button. Or hit the wrong button. Yeah, this person's doing like 55 mile an hour on the highway. Crazy people, I tell you. Cruising just fine, Austin. I think you're good to go. You'll probably have come over and picked us up before this video gets out. But anyway, come on over and get your bike and go riding, man. It's a good day for it. I tried to call you, but you didn't answer. So I'll try again here once I get home. Let you know it's all good. I'm not having any problems with it whatsoever. Man, I love to ride. throttle's sticking a little bit. We're gonna have to figure out why. This is the first time I've ridden it, so I don't know if that's what it did before or what, but probably needs the cables lubed up or something. Shouldn't be sticking like that. Alright, no more throttle. Oh, red light. Alright. Yeah, it appears the throttle's sticking though. What's up, guys? Yeah. But it appears the throttle's sticking. You know, it's not closing the way it should. It's probably the cables themselves. I don't know if you can see them, but man, they're nasty. So let me get moving. But the only thing I can think is, uh-oh. I think the police are about to stop us. Nope, they let me through. This is Coney Island. They do all kind of festivals and things like that here, and there's always police that are directing traffic. So yeah, I think we're good, Austin. I think you're good. The only thing I see right now is that the throttle doesn't return the way it should. So I need you to tell me if that happened before or not. But look, it just sticks. So let me get home and call him and see what happened. But here, let's do a little woo woo woo. Yeah, feels good. I'm gonna check the tire pressure for him too, because it feels like maybe they may be off. Alright, here we go. Back to the hood. No problems. Alright, we'll go ahead and cut it there. And if you could, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And look at that, my beard's sticking out underneath my helmet. Let me try if I can make it look better. Anyway, there it is. Test ride's done. Oh, let me open that. There you go. Test ride's done. We'll go ahead and call it there. And if you could, go ahead and like, share, subscribe to the video. And I will catch you on the next one.